Alright, you're given a function as 4x squared minus 6x minus 3. Okay, then you're asked to find f0. Okay, there's a number 0 replacing the x. Now, what does this mean? It means that you have to replace everything you see here, all the x, right? You replace it with a brackets. That's very important. Huh? You see I put in red. And then you change the x to the number 0. Whatever number you see in the brackets on the left, you just change it to that number. Okay? And then you can just press calculator. If you don't know that the answer is minus 3, you can just press calculator. Exactly what you see on the paper here, alright, including the brackets, and the calculator will give you the correct answer. Now, what if it's something like this with a 5 in front of the f? Okay, then there's a minus 2 here. Same thing, right as whatever you see here, the 5 is here. Now, what does that mean? It actually means this 5 times this whole thing. Okay, this 5 times this whole thing. So what you need to do is to put a square bracket, and then the inside, right, is like the previous part, whatever 4, then the bracket square minus 6 bracket. Okay, and this is the important part. You can see that the x has been replaced by minus 2, right? So you have to replace this with minus 2. That's it. Everything else remains the same. So it's as if there is this thing here inside this square bracket. Then you times the 5 to the whole thing. Okay? Please do not use mental calculation. Use calculator and you will be able to get this answer. Alright? Okay, last question. What if I have like question B, same thing, everything same, but I put a minus 10 at the back? Does this minus 10 belong inside here? No, it does not. Okay, so just what I want to tell you to remind you. This 5, yes, is in front, and then the fx, which is minus 2, you write as it is, and then you substitute minus 2, replace the x with minus 2. It looks very complicated, but it's just very easy. Okay, this is like your 5, this is like your 5. Okay, then your fx is here, 5fx, and then the minus 10 is outside this brackets, outside the function. Okay, press calculator, whatever you see here, and you should get this. Please press calculator and check that you can get each of these answers, because some of you don't know how to press calculator.